Hey guys, Steve Thomas here with Kamloops Dodge. Today we're going to be going over the 2019 Dodge Durango. This Durango is equipped with adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, and forward braking. Along with that, we've added a 2-inch level kit just to add to the aggressive stance that comes with the Durango. One of the things that I really like about the Durango interior is its sporty features that really remind me of the Dodge Challenger. The Durango is also equipped with the 8.4-inch Uconnect screen that comes with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, navigation, all of your heat controls as well. Really just right at your fingertips. And another one of the great features of the Durango is that it seats 7 very comfortably, fitting the whole family. So guys, if you're interested in this gorgeous 2019 Durango, stop by Kamloops Dodge. Let's take it out for a drive.